Phil Ampacan Mendoza. Ayan. Hinayado mo yung manmarcha. Manimulot kayo. Ayan. Man-smile kayo. Apay say, auntie, alikan man-smile. Ay narikat ay i-release din ito unahay, anak. Masada. Pose. Ayan, palakpakan nyo. Cesar Mendoza. Ayan, away kayo, stick. And of course, pinaikatwas ng pamilya, the parents of the groom, Arsenio Tulipaliano, to be represented by the first sibling, Father Liano, and Mrs. Natividad Tita Pinzel